Okay, with regards to the full details of the schedules, the events, the plan for Mascara 2026, we'll have our launching on the first week of September.
Anong ma-expect na siguro? Ito exams na.
Damo kami, we actually pick up from last year, no? With, of course, with the comments from the media, nga ang nanamihan gid nila, we really rooted the Mascara celebration last year, gin grassroots gid tanan, so we involve the community gid. So as you can see, damo kami sectoral events for both Plaza and BCGC, and also mga competition namon we involve the community, the barangay, so barangay competition. So damo gid shake up subong. So number one, for the longest time, ang aton nga Miss Bacolod Mascara was just a candidate, but this year, they will be bringing in barangay to represent. So that's one. Second, there will be a new venue for the arena competition. Pag-o na siya. So, hindi na ta sa paglaom kay gin assess naman ng paglaom, so hindi na siya safe. Then of course we cannot do plaza naman because ang spillover sa plaza sa mga audience sa kilid, so wala pulungkuan ng aton nga audience. So pag-renovate ang aton nga plaza, so basi maguba ang renovation. So we'll be announcing the final venue for the arena competition.
Anong theme natin for this year's festival?
The theme for this year is Share the Smile, Celebrate Gugma. So, share the smile because, of course, we want to continue the events that keeps the community and the Bacolodnon smiling, sectoral events, barangay events. And Gugma because we really wanted to present the passion and love of the Bacolodnons. So, amo ni siya nga ton nga gina pride ta. So we're presenting the love and the pride to the rest of the world through the Mascara celebration.
Festival size sir initially?
Same. We still have the BCGC, the Plaza, and of course our Lacson Tourism Strip. But for this year, ang lain naman is last year pag-open gid sang October 1 to 19 do adlaw gid may event. So do exhausted gid media exhausted sa pakadto pakari ang mga tao nato, ang mga crowd, interagency. For this year, there will be two parts ng Mascara. The pre-Mascara celebration, which will be on October 1 to 8. So ang matabo sa October 1 to 8, sports lang, mga pre-pageants, arts activities sa mga malls naton. Then we will have a 10-day highlight lang. So 10-day highlight is October 9 to 18. So anong matabo sa 9 to 18? So mabukas na ang duwata ka sites. Nadara na dayon ang may mga big na mga events. So tanan yung mga celebrity concerts, parties, so mga grand final sa mga competition will happen between October 9 to 18. Pero ang kiosk tayo ma-open agad siya October 1.
Bilang ka tanong guys,
Sorry.
kwaon natin sir.
Okay, for this year we're planning sa school category 7, in Japanese we have 7
Elementary.
districts. For the barangay, we will only be sticking to 8. 8 contingents. Then for electric mascara, we have 10 contingents. Then for Miss Bacolod, 15. All of the contestants for the major events will be revealed during the launching.
Na field na time slots or
Yeah, so far, fielded na ang both the school category and the barangay category. Ongoing pasubong ang passing of letter of intent sa ngaton nga electric mascara.
Ang school, secondary lang yan.
elementary?
Elementary, yes.
Same in Japan, sir, last year na may simultaneous event event sa Plaza Kansai.
Yes. Pero 10 days na lang matabo. So from October 9 to October 9 to 18 because we also wanted to produce mga events nga para damo man tawo makato for both sides then win-win sa aton nga mga kiosko.
May mga adjustment ka mo, sir, since this is your second year organizing
Damo
the
gid,
event.
damo gid kami adjustments, damo kami na learn from last year. Then basing from last year, we trimmed down sa tawo kag sa mga events. But hindi man gid mabatyaga na.
Sir, ready mo naman preparation in case na mag-rain ng mga bulan-bulan.
Well, actually, namangkot ko na with the media sang last time. Are you favorable of transferring the Mascara Festival from October to summer? Ginsabat ko sang media nga Sir Rodney hatagi kami picture sa Mascara nga wala gaulan for the past year. So it adds to the drama nga nagaulan, then the people are still smiling. So I think that's part of the story. So yes. Like even last year I was very shocked man sa like on a Saturday it was raining during the school category. Then nag-emergency meeting kami early sa tanan ng mga schools, supervisors, principal, and we asked them, do you want to move the dance competition kay it's raining? Ang sabat ko nila, Sir Rodney, we're talking about Mascara, about resiliency and being strong. How can we teach the new generation to become resilient and strong nga ulan pa lang maback out na ta? It's a go. So
Sir,
yun.
kung ma-change pa dito, sir, sa arena, ang street dance, stake kita, Araneta Street.
Yes, because it's a tradition. Still, ang aton nga street dance will be Araneta Street. Then, ang arena lang gid nga dance competition. So, i-reveal namon during the launching. Kay gina-finalize pa naman ng venue. We're trying to talk to the to the brands pa if okay sa ila.
Isang last year dito, arena, tapos sila din.
Yes, arena first, then street dance competition. Subong, street dance first, and arena.
Pero ang plaza, ano na naman tawag sa plaza?
We will still do sectoral events there. Pero hindi kami kapatagko nga events kid. Kay kun sectoral events, it means like half man lang stage, then usually sa checkered floor man lang tayo.
Entertainers and artists.
Entertainers and artists, gina-finalize pa sang aton nga brands. But for Lacson alone, there are 4 brands na nga big nga dugin pang block off na nila ang mga streets ta. Then as of the moment, damo pagid inquiries regarding Lacson because they want to do their concerts there. So there is BCGC, more or less, we have 3 brands na nga mapa-concert diri with artists.
Ang mga cues na open siya, di ba na? Ang mga gusto mag-events.
Yes.
Sa plaza, na fully booked.
Sa Plaza now, nag-initial na kami reservation kag meeting sa ila. We will know kay by this week I think they will be start paying na kay since nakasign na kami sa MOA, ma-start na kami pay. Then that's the time mabala namon. But so far based sa amon nga kiosk management to 80% filled na.
Masaka in the rates.
Hindi, same lang kami
Ilang
Japon.
minimum?
For both the Plaza and the BCGC, it's 25.
Minimum.
25, yes.
Store.
Yes, as a 10 by 10, yeah. But it's going to run from October 1 to 18. That's 18 days naman. Ang ma-change na kami rate, Lacson. Because gin-study naman ng Lacson, may mga areas ang Lacson nga hindi siya bala na field. Let's say ang 3rd Street Lacson, kag dito sa may BPI nga Lacson, do wala na to may gakwa. So we will be dividing Lacson into the red zone and the blue zone. So ang red zone, these are the areas nga selling like hotcakes, pancakes. Yeah. ang rates there medyo mahal daya because dira gid ya ang main activities eh.
Mga pitas.
For the corporate it's 50. Then for the food kiosk it's 20-25. But for the blue zone do half gid ang
Cheaper.
cheaper siya. Para ma-filled in gid namon ang tanan nga lakson.